What's really holding you back from building the credit you deserve? It's not a lack of opportunity, but often a lack of knowledge and the right strategies. Many people believe that achieving a high credit score is something reserved only for the financially elite, but that couldn't be further from the truth. With the right approach, anyone can take control of their financial future and improve their credit score. In this video, we will explore the 5 essential tips for building credit the right way. Whether you're just starting your credit journey or looking to elevate your score to the next level, these strategies will help you build a solid credit foundation. Let's dive into these actionable tips. Tip 1. Master the golden rule of paying your credit cards. The most vital rule in building good credit is straightforward. Always pay off your statement balance in full and on time. It might sound simple, but this simple habit can prevent you from accumulating high interest debt while also improving your credit score. When you pay off your statement balance completely, no balance is carried over, and you won't be charged interest, which helps your credit score soar. With this approach, you're not just avoiding debt, you're actively proving to lenders that you can manage your credit responsibly. But it doesn't stop there. Payment history accounts for a massive 35% of your FICO score, so staying on top of this can make a dramatic difference. In fact, one missed payment can linger on your report for 7 years, so missing even a single due date can cost you. But here's the good news. If you forget, most credit issuers won't report a late payment until 30 days have passed. So if you act fast, you can save yourself from that nasty drop in your score. By adhering to this rule, you'll ensure your score stays strong and your finances stay intact, making you a more reliable borrower in the eyes of lenders. Stay committed and you'll see the results in no time. Tip 2. Manage your credit utilization wisely. If you want to keep your credit score healthy, it's crucial to manage your credit utilization, or the percentage of your available credit that you use. The ideal rule of thumb is to keep your utilization below 10%, as this shows lenders that you are responsible with your credit and not overly relying on it. For instance, if your credit card limit is $1,000, try to avoid spending more than $100 on it in a given month. Keeping utilization low will help you maintain a higher score and show you as a lower risk borrower. And here's a little known trick. Credit scoring models don't remember your previous month's utilization rate, so if you do exceed the 10% mark one month, don't panic. As long as you bring it back down the next month, your score will bounce back. It's important to remember that credit scoring is dynamic and your score isn't set in stone. If your utilization does spike unexpectedly, simply pay down your balance before the statement closing date, and you can keep your credit utilization at a level that works in your favor. This flexibility is great, but if you consistently keep your utilization low, you'll be building the foundation for an excellent credit score in the long run. Tip 3. Build credit history with patience. The key to a healthy credit score is patience. Building credit takes time, and while it's tempting to wish for instant results, the truth is that the longer your credit history, the stronger your score becomes. Start building your credit as early as possible and be mindful of your actions. A lengthy credit history accounts for about 15% of your FICO score, which means every year that goes by, your score benefits from your consistent credit management. The sooner you start, the better your future credit score will be. One crucial aspect is to keep your oldest accounts open. Don't close them, especially if they have no annual fee. Even if you don't use them frequently, your oldest card will continue to boost your score as it ages. The older your accounts, the more trustworthy you appear to lenders, who see you as someone with experience handling credit over time. While it's important to take small, responsible steps now, remember that credit building isn't an overnight process. The more time you give yourself, the better your financial future will be, and it's absolutely worth the wait. Tip 4. Don't apply for new credit all at once. One of the biggest mistakes you can make when building credit is applying for too many new credit accounts in a short period. While it might seem like a good idea to rack up multiple credit cards quickly, each hard inquiry on your credit report can temporarily lower your score. When you apply for credit, lenders pull your credit report, and this is what causes a drop. A single inquiry might only cause a slight dip, but multiple inquiries in a short time can make lenders view you as a higher risk, which impact your ability to get approved for more credit. Instead, be strategic about applying for new credit. Space out your applications, ideally every 3 to 6 months, so your score has time to recover. If you're thinking about applying for a significant loan, such as a mortgage or car loan, hold off on applying for new credit card beforehand. This prevents those hard pulls from negatively affecting your score at a time when you need it most. It's tempting to apply for credit when you're working on improving your score, but remember, slow and steady wins the race. Take a strategic approach to new credit applications, and your score will thank you for it. Tip 5. Maintain a healthy credit mix. Maintaining a diverse credit mix is another factor that can give your score a boost over time, and it's responsible for 10% of your overall score. A good credit mix shows lenders that you can manage a variety of credit types, including credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, and student loans. The more experience you have managing different kinds of credit, the better you'll look to potential lenders. While this factor is important, it's also crucial to know that you don't need to rush into opening various types of credit accounts just to improve your mix. The best approach is to let it happen naturally as your financial needs evolve. For example, as you grow older, you might need a car loan, mortgage, or a student loan, which will all help diversify your credit mix. However, it's essential not to apply for credit just for the sake of improving this factor. Your financial decisions should be based on necessity, and your credit mix will naturally improve as you make smart financial choices. Remember, your credit mix is just a cherry on top. The real focus should be on responsible credit use and building a strong history. If you focus on your long-term goals, your credit mix will follow. So there you have it, the 5 essential tips for building your credit the right way. By following these strategies and being patient, you can gradually work your way up to that coveted 800 score. The key to success lies in controlling what you can, focusing on payment history, credit utilization, and managing a balanced credit mix. Keep these habits in mind, and over time, your credit score will not just improve, it will be a reflection of your financial discipline and responsibility. Remember, achieving an excellent credit score isn't a race, but a marathon. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and watch as your credit score climbs higher than you ever thought possible. If these tips helped you, or if you know someone who could benefit, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips on improving your financial health. Building credit isn't just about a number. It's about opening doors to better opportunities in life. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.